Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact cells you want to shrink. This matters for consistent appearance. Once done, go to the Home tab and use the font size box to type a smaller point size, for example 10 or 8. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus repeatedly to step sizes down quickly. Use this first action to judge legibility versus space saved, because reducing too far will impair readability, so test one cell. Then apply to the full range when satisfied. Next, refine typography with format cells. Press Ctrl plus 1 to open it and enter a precise point size, which ensures consistent printing. Once inside, consider enabling Shrink to Fit for dynamic resizing, or adjust column width and wrap text to prevent truncated content. Use cell styles to propagate the new size across many ranges or sheets so you avoid manual repetition. Make sure to preview on print layout, because on-screen fit versus printed output can differ. Adjust until both look correct. Finish by applying changes to the intended scope, selected cells, entire sheet, or the workbook using styles for consistency. Once applied, save a copy so you can roll back if mass changes hurt layout. If you need to revert, use undo immediately or restore the saved file. If fonts refuse to change, check for merged cells, active conditional formatting rules, or sheet protection. These commonly block size edits. Finally, make sure the font itself is available on your system. Substitute fonts can force unexpected sizes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.